Now, just so we can see how trams change where they go. Oh, that's not a tram, that's just a bendy bus that follows the route. And let's not get killed by the bus. I've worked out that being killed is bad. But yes, here we see a complete junction of tram lines. I was just looking at these now. Alright, we'll call them switches, but I prefer to call them points and crossovers and diamonds and things. That's a bit complex and complicated, isn't it? Now I suppose you lot want me to get in one of these boats and go for a tour around the town. I suppose I could.